Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Now I am making easy method of burger breads and base. You can make it in a home without any problem, and with the help of oven I am making, and you can bake it on a cooker also. The burger bread recipe is 1 egg, sugar or sugar powder 10 grams, milk 50 ml, butter 20 grams, salt 5 grams, all-purpose flour 250 grams, and the most important, the yeast, dry yeast or wet yeast. I am using dry yeast. It's 7 grams, and water 150 ml. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. Without the help of yeast, you can do nothing for the bread recipes. The yeast is very important, and don't mix it with salt. Sugar is the best food for yeast. You can add to. For dry yeast, wet yeast you can wetted yeast is you can add directly, but if you adding dry yeast, add little bit of water. Mix it nicely like a paste. And add little bit of sugar, or you can add a full. And keep it in a side for 10 minutes. You can see the paste texture. Then leave it for 10 minutes. Next, take the basil, add all-purpose flour and salt and milk for softiness. Then add butter or margarine or any fat oil. Then add a little bit of water. Mix it nice. Make a dough. Next, add yeast after 10 minutes. Then mix it nicely. Make a soft dough. The burger dough is ready. make this soft and take this small bowl. Then cover with a wet cloth. And keep it in a fridge for the minimum 30 to 40 minutes. Then remove it and make a burgers. After 30 minutes, take the dough from the fridge and make into pieces. Each gram 100 grams for a burger. And check the weight. Yes, 100 grams. Yes, correct. For 250 grams of flour, you can make 5 and a little bit small bread roll. Yes. Total 4 burgers you can make for 250 grams. Grease the tray. And make round rolls. This like, and set it in a greasing tray. And small burger. Then press like this. And proof it for again 30 minutes. Proof nicely. For the bread nice golden brown color, take 1 egg. For the egg wash on the top. Add a little bit of water. Then mix it. The eggs gives nice texture and color when you are adding on the top like egg wash. You can see the bread proofed nicely. Then egg wash on the top. Then add sesame seeds on top. Sesame seeds. Then keep it in the oven. Preheat the oven for 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes before using the oven, and keep it on the oven. Let's bake it. Let's bake it for 8 minutes. Burger bread baking is over. Now I am removing. Wow, you can see the nice golden brown color. Let's cool it for 10 minutes and use it as a burger and coat it with oil. Coat the oil like this and rest for 10 minutes. Oil gives the nice shining to the burgers. Ta-da-da-da-da-dum, ta-da-da-da-da-dum. Yes, finally is completed. Burger bread. You can see the nice golden brown color burger bread. Now I'm tasting how it looks. It's totally hot. Spongy texture. When we are baking our own bread, you can taste and flavor is different from buying on shop. Nice taste, and you also make it at home. Don't buy it on unhealthy food on outside. Thanks for watching.